Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an email sequence and an email campaign. As you can see, I'm logged into the Mailing Boss dashboard, and I'm going to go to Campaigns and Email Sequence. And here's a list of all of our current sequences that are in Mailing Boss. And from here, I can just pick the sequence that I want to delete. So I'm going to choose this first one, Auto List for No Action. And I'm going to scroll all the way over to the right, and I'm going to choose the icon with the circle and the X inside. That is delete. I'm going to go ahead and click delete, and it asks me, are you sure you want to delete this item? Make sure, absolutely sure, that you want to delete this, because support cannot retrieve it back for you. If it is truly what you want to delete, then just click yes. And now that sequence has been deleted. Now let's look at campaigns and how to delete them. So I'm going to go to the blue button, Manage Campaigns, and here's a list of all of my campaigns I have available in Mailing Boss. And I'm going to choose my campaign, so I'll choose the regular email, and I'm going to scroll all the way over to the right-hand side. I'll find the circle with the X in it, which is the delete icon. I'm going to click that. It says, are you really sure? Make absolutely sure, because support cannot retrieve it, and click yes. And that's how you delete an email sequence and an email campaign inside Mailing Boss.